Hi everyone, welcome to the Medical Minute. This is my first effort in actually narrating the video, so please be kind in your comments as I learn and hopefully improve. If you want to help the channel, remember to subscribe. And now you can go to Patreon and subscribe there and help with your support. Thanks. Look for the link to Patreon in the description section below. Are you or someone you know struggling with snoring? It's a problem that affects millions of people worldwide, disrupting sleep and even relationships. But what if a daily pill could cut snoring symptoms in half? Welcome to the Medical Minute, where we break down the latest in health research and innovations. I'm Ken, and today we're talking about a brand new solution that could transform the way we treat snoring. Researchers have developed a simple, once-a-day pill that has been shown to reduce snoring up to 50%. No bulky devices, no invasive procedures, just a small pill that could make a big difference. Sound too good to be true? Stick around and we'll dive into how it works, what the studies are showing, and whether it could be the answer to your snoring woes. So let's get started. For millions, a daily medication could reduce the symptoms of snoring. Silthiamine, a medication used to treat pediatric epilepsy, showed promise in treating obstructive sleep apnea symptoms in a trial. A study has demonstrated that giving heavy snorers a daily medication reduces their symptoms and improves their ability to sleep through the night. Experts believe the medication known as silthiamine may provide millions of snorers the first successful medical intervention, easing their partner's misery and lowering their chance of cardiac problems. The medication was evaluated on 298 patients with obstructive sleep apnea, a respiratory disorder that results in loud snoring. It is used to treat infantile epilepsy. In Britain, about 10% of persons have it, especially older and heavier males. The disease results in breathing stopping and starting during sleep, collapsing the airways, gasping, frequent awakenings, and loud snoring. Trial participants were split up into 4 groups and given silthiamine at 3 different doses or a placebo. During the first night of the trial, after 4 weeks, and after 12 weeks, they spent a night in the clinic where researchers kept an eye on their breathing, oxygen levels, and snoring. Significant improvements were observed in symptoms such as breathing in and out during the night, daytime sleepiness, and blood oxygen levels in those using silthiamine. Individuals taking the maximum dosage of 300 milligrams daily saw a 50% decrease in the quantity of breathing pauses throughout the night, which lessened the intensity of their snoring. Improvements were also seen with lesser dosages of 100 and 200 milligrams of silthiamine per day. The medications act by blocking the carbonic anhydrase enzyme, which prevents the muscles surrounding the throat from contracting and maintains an upper airway open at night. A gadget known as a CPAP is used to generally pump air into a mask that covers the mouth or nose as the primary treatment for sleep apnea. A change in lifestyle, such as quitting alcohol and lowering weight, might also be beneficial. In addition to being an annoying habit, snoring is a warning sign for cardiac issues because it disrupts breathing repeatedly, which lowers blood oxygen levels and puts stress on the heart and blood vessels. The risk of heart attacks and strokes is greatly increased by this. Many of us are aware that either we or our partners snore, according to Professor Sofia Schisa of the European Respiratory Society. You should see a doctor if your snoring is accompanied by additional symptoms such as frequent nighttime awakenings or exhaustion and/or drowsiness throughout the day. It's critical that we identify and treat obstructive sleep apnea since it raises a risk of major health issues like high blood pressure, heart disease, and metabolic disease. The results are encouraging And this is one of the first studies to imply that a medication treatment might benefit certain individuals. To fully comprehend the long-term impact of silithamine and other treatments, including potential side effects, we must continue our testing. Today, at the European Respiratory Society Congress in Vienna, saw the presentation of the research. The primary author, Professor Jan Hebner of the Universities of Gutenberg and Salzgitter, I'm going to say this all wrong, but Sahlgrenska University Hospital in Sweden, stated, sleeping with a machine that blows air through a face mask to keep the airways open is the standard treatment for obstructive sleep apnea. Sadly, a lot of people find it difficult to use these devices over time. Therefore, alternative forms of treatment are required. In the trial, silithamine users experienced a decrease in symptoms like breathing difficulties at night and daytime drowsiness. The medication also increased their blood's average oxygen levels. This shows that silithamine might work as a treatment, particularly for those people who are unable to benefit from current mechanical therapies. He stated that more extensive research was necessary before silithamine was made available as a snoring remedy. So there you have it, a simple daily pill that could bring relief to millions struggling with snoring. Whether it's you or someone you know, this new treatment has the potential to improve sleep quality, relationships, and overall well-being. While more research is still being done, the early results are promising. Always remember to consult your doctor before trying any new treatment. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who could benefit. Also, consider helping the channel by joining us on Patreon. You can get the link in the description section below. For more tips on the latest health breakthroughs, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you'll never miss an episode of The Medical Minute. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay healthy, stay informed.